What's happening, guys? It's Jay, and we are talking about helmets here. This is going to be a kind of a down and dirty review of the Hard-Headed Veterans ATE bump helmet. This is their non-ballistic helmet, which makes a great option for mounting Ear Pro 2, comms, night vision, lights, strobes, all that good stuff, right? So here, the way that I have mine set up, first and foremost, they make numerous colors in this, right? I chose the woodland because why not? If you're gonna have a helmet, at least maybe have it be a little bit of a statement piece, or at least work with your environment. So here we have a Princeton Tech light on it. So this is a white light and a red light. So basically it's a task light is what it is. We have a set of electronic Ear Pro on there. So, and it is set up for an M-LOK attachment point here. I think these are the 3M Peltor M-LOK mounts that we have on there. Then on the back side, we have a counterweight pouch. So this here, I keep batteries in here for the night vision itself. I don't find that I need the counterweights per se, but it is nice to have your extra batteries back there. So that works out really good. And then I have a night eyes back here. So this is just for training purposes. It's nice for being able to keep track of people in the dark. Ear Pro on the other side, we have our night vision. This is the Binoc NVG 50. I've been really pleased with this so far, guys. It's been fun to shoot with, fun for hiking back in the woods here, and all that. So it's been nice. There can definitely be improvement to it, but for $500, you can't go wrong with that setup, I don't think, especially for training purposes. And then we have a strobe light on top. The strobe here, it is a green and white. It's a green light, white strobe, and an IR strobe. So your on-off is back here, and then for turning on IR is up here. So that works out really nice there. And yeah, one of the things that I liked about it, I like the magnetic buckle for the chin strap. That's a nice little feature there. Their liner or their padding, this gets mixed reviews. I do like that they give you not just the stock padding that comes with it, but they also give you 2 different thicknesses of extra padding for putting inside. So you can mix and match those as you need, whether it's on the back, the front, the sides, the top, what have you. And then they do that BOA mount, so you can loosen and tighten this on the back of your head. That is a super nice feature. I know some of their old helmet, their older styles, generation before this, did not have that. Now all of their helmets have that, which is really, really nice. So if you guys are looking at getting a bump helmet, I can't recommend this enough. It's been comfortable for wearing here in the field, been comfortable with wearing with night vision for training, or if you're just using it for your Ear Pro or for comms, all of that works out really nice. So anyways, that's what we got there, guys. So once again, the ATE bump helmet from Hard-Headed Veterans. You guys keep getting out there, keep training, and we'll chat with you soon. Later.